Welcome, partners. In this session, we will help you to scale up your business with foodpanda. Firstly, let's get to know the importance of branding and exposure. Why is business exposure important? First, you have to make sure that people know about your restaurant and that your restaurant is available on foodpanda. Second, you need to grow your fan base by promoting new dishes or combos. Lastly, you need to remember that strong brand awareness keeps you on top of customers' minds. Next, let's plan for success by first, understanding your goals and objectives, second, planning and strategy, and the third one is we should find what works for you. This is how to plan your advertising strategy. Number one, set goals and objectives by defining your short-term and long-term. Number two, create seasonal meals and plan your promotional periods in advance. Number three, create multi-channel marketing on both offline and online. What are goals? Goals are overarching guidelines that outline what you want to achieve. And what are objectives? Objectives are steps you take to achieve your goals. They are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. An objective of a short-term goal, for example, is to get 30 daily orders in 3 months in order to acquire a sizable and steady customer base on foodpanda. The next objective for your long-term goal is, for example, to grow orders by 10% monthly and get an average order value of $30. Next plan for success is planning and strategy. You have to strategize for your short-term goals. By doing this, it helps you to select the suitable growth tools according to your goals. For example, if your goal is to gain sizable and steady customer base and the objective is to hit 30 daily orders in 3 months, then you need to select growth tools that help you to reach your goal. Next is the strategy of long-term goals. For instance, your goal is to grow earnings from foodpanda to 50% of total revenue stream. And your objective is to grow orders by 10% monthly and reach an average order value of 30 ringgit. You need to select growth tools that help you reach your goal, which is discounts that can increase your order value and Panda Box to acquire new customers. Next is tips and tricks to optimize your growth tools. First, mark your calendar, plan seasonal menus and offers ahead of time to secure the best slot possible. Next one is to create attractive combo deals. Special offers and combo deals not only attract customers, but increase order values. The last one is to spread the word. Utilize your existing platforms to bring awareness to your ongoing offers on foodpanda. One pro tip is to get your name out during festive season when consumers are more loose with their spending. How do you increase sales during non-festive seasons? Your non-festive seasons marketing strategy, one of it is to create daily specials, incentivize customers with special deals on food or drinks on specific days of the week, or even off-peak discounts. For example, tea break special, no meat Mondays, taco Tuesdays, tasty Thursdays, and etc. And you also need to show your customers love. Build your empire by rolling out a loyalty reward system to keep your customers coming back. And the last one is to make some noise. Keep the momentum going by spreading the word about your offers. One pro tip is to use Panda clicks to gain traction. You only pay when a customer clicks. Okay, now we go to the lightning round, which is a consultation to find what works for you and your business. Scan the QR code and answer the questions to get what is best suited for you. The next one is to how to grow with us. We will go through case studies growth tools, and what type of discounts. Are you ready to scale up your business with us? On going to the case studies. How to overcome common concerns. So the first case study is the new vendor is a newly onboarded restaurant that sells bento meals. Their main goal is to drive awareness and listing visibility on Foodpanda. So what should they do? Their goal is to drive awareness and listing visibility on Foodpanda. So their objective is to increase listing traffic by a certain percentage and gain 10 new daily orders. Their strategy is to create buzz and awareness about the new listing, celebrate the way you would with a new opening, make customers look you up on Foodpanda. Steps to get there. Make some noise on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. One example is to say, check us out on Foodpanda. And you can also subscribe to pandaclass to gain visibility and drive traffic. Now on to the second case study. This vendor has been with Foodpanda for 6 months and has an average order of 20 a day. They like to increase their order volume, so what should they do? They've identified their goal, which is to increase order volume. So their objective is to grow orders by 5% week on week and grow earnings from Foodpanda to 50% of the revenue. Their strategy is to encourage more customers to check out their store and entice them with deals. Steps to get there might be by subscribing to pandaclass to increase visibility and using discounts to increase sales by offering deals to customers and to create daily special and loyalty rewards. The next case study is a vendor that has been on Foodpanda for a year or so and their daily sales figures are stagnant. How do they get more customers to order more and what should they do? Their goal is to get customers to order more, so their strategy is to reach out to premium, higher spending customers and aim for an average order value of a certain ringgit. Their objective is to increase basket size by a certain percentage in a month and increase order volume by a certain percentage week on week. So how do they get there? By doing in-store reminders. Remind customers they can enjoy your food in the comfort of their home by ordering on Foodpanda or by doing Panda Pro deals, which maximizes your marketing budget by targeting premium customers. Now, on to the next one. What growth tools can help you reach your goals? Next, if you want to know which growth tool is right for you, if you want to acquire new customers and increase order rates, subscribe to PandaBox and create discounts. If you want to boost visibility and boost awareness, subscribe to pandaclass. If you want to do both of these things, you need to subscribe to Panda Pro. Why pandaclass? Boost your brand visibility. With pandaclass, you can reach more customers, boost your orders by up to 100%. You can gain visibility, be one of the top 10 listings under the All Restaurants section. And pandaclass has flexible budgeting. Only pay when customers click on your listing. How to activate pandaclass? First, log into Restaurant Portal and click Marketing from the left sidebar. Then, select Boost Your Restaurant Visibility and then click Continue to Booking. Last one, all promo areas are selected by default and a note is that areas cannot be edited. On to the next one. To acquire new customers and increase order rates, you need to subscribe to PandaBox and Panda Promo. Why PandaBox? Because PandaBox is to acquire new customers. Get up to 25 new customers daily, highlight your restaurant in our special in-app pop-up, and you have guaranteed returns. Pay only when new customers place an order. Did you know that your restaurant will be shown on your restaurant swim lane after the customer orders? How to activate PandaBox? First, log into Restaurant Portal and click Marketing from the left sidebar. Then select Acquire New Customers and click Continue to Booking. Then determine the number of new customers you like to reach each day. Then read the TNCs carefully and click Start to confirm. To boost visibility and awareness, acquire new customers and increase order rates, subscribe to Panda Pro. Why Panda Pro? Because Panda Pro can reach premium customers. Tap into top 10% of high-value customers who order and spend twice as more on Foodpanda. Gain additional exposure by becoming a Panda Pro partner. Panda Pro has high return on investment with up to 3 times more revenue generated from Pro users than average customers. How to become a Panda Pro partner? First, log into Restaurant Portal and click Marketing from the left sidebar. Select Reach Our Premium Customers, then click Promotion Type. Then select your preferred discount and minimum order value. Lastly, choose your start date and you're ready to go. Want to customize your own discounts? Why create discounts? To boost your sales. Attract more customers with a special pink tag. Drive an average of 16% increase in revenue and 13% increase in new customer orders. Book today for an immediate boost tomorrow. How to activate discounts? First, log into Restaurant Portal and click Marketing from the left sidebar. Select Get More Orders, then click Promotion Type. Select your preferred discount and minimum order value. A tip here is to use these categories to determine your discount objectives. Finally, choose your start date and you're ready to go. Okay, on to the most common questions. What is the commitment duration for Panda Pro? The promotion will run based on your specified start date and will run continuously until you decide to cancel it. Cancellation requests must be given 30 days before your desired end date. Check the minimum commitment period under the terms and conditions. Second question, will I be charged for unsuccessful orders cancelled by the customer or by Foodpanda for Panda Box? Don't worry, only successful orders will be charged Panda Box fees. How much does it cost to sign up for Panda Box? There's no cost involved in signing up for Panda Box. Restaurants are charged 50% of the Panda Box order. On the other hand, impressions are absolutely free. Can I set a start date to my PandaClicks promotion? PandaClicks promotion automatically start within 24 hours of booking, so make sure you plan your offers accordingly. Are you ready to scale up your business with us? Okay, next is for the useful links that you might need. You can scan here to go to the Restaurant Portal, which is your one-stop platform for managing business operations and performance, or head to your university guides, which includes step-by-step guides and videos to help you get started on our platform. And for our social channel, scan here to join our social channel for latest tips and tricks for scaling your business. And lastly, you can scan here for our university YouTube. Subscribe to our university YouTube channel for helpful tutorials. Stay tuned for more and bye for now.